हा सर इकडे
सर समोर इकडे
याच्याकडे
Yes,
बघा.
all of you. Sir.
I don't know how that has got to do with the awards. There's no connection. See, on one side, as a musician, as a singer, we all are one. Music has nothing to do with politics. And as they say, music has no borders, no bars, no barriers. Because when you listen to a song, either you like the song or the singer, you don't like the song. It doesn't matter where the singer is from, whether it's from Spain, Portugal. Uh, Yet what happened now? What we are talking about is a political and a completely different angle. So. Yeah, but what happens is, we are living in a very, what do you say? When you say that music should not be dragged into this or sport should not be dragged into it, we would love, it's an idealistic world. But unfortunately, when things happen, what happened, we tend to mix up things. The politicians, the bureaucrats, the state, and they in turn vitiate the atmosphere in which innocent people like the artists and sportsmen get sucked in. So I think there's nothing one can do. I mean, that's part of life. So you have to learn to live with it. And I'm not saying that I condone what is happening with the violence on the border or inside the country. Violence is violence. Injustice is injustice. What is wrong is wrong. What is right is right. Whether it is in the country or it is on the border or it is outside the country. It's a very fine line one has to draw. So it's very difficult to really, because artists, when I listen to an artist, basically if the artist is singing or playing, it's something very different. It's a different level. You're not part of this world. You actually transcend all borders and barriers. Even sometimes when you listen to a very soulful music, you're not even here, part of this universe. You're somewhere else.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Third year of Radio Bhojri Awards, sir. Tell me, is काफी tough रहा? How was it?
Very nice. It was very nice. It was very nice. हम लोग from very beginning I am there. So we are enjoying each and every moment and it's very interesting because it's a award for music fraternity. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा and we are absolutely there and we are enjoying that.
Favorite song?
It's very difficult. See क्योंकि इस साल बहुत अच्छा रहा म्यूजिक के लिए, बहुत सारे ट्रैक्स अच्छे रहे और वो हम चूँकि यहाँ डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि मैं अगर अपना पसंदीदा बताऊँ तो कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को लगेगा क्योंकि मेरे गाने हैं इसमें इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. बट लकली बहुत अच्छा साल म्यूजिक का रहा, फिल्मों का रहा, तो मुझे लगता है इट इज़ वेरी नाइस.
One final question I asked you. Exactly. I wanted to ask you, basically, you're aware of this news coming in, basically, a lot of shows of Pakistani artists are being cancelled because of the birthday show in Pakistan, and music should not be affected, as I'm sure. So, you being a part of the music fraternity, how do you react to this?
डेफिनेटली अच्छी बात नहीं है क्योंकि ये जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं कहीं ना कहीं म्यूजिक क्या हर आदमी, आम आदमी भी इफेक्टेड है, हर आदमी. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. हम इसके लिए दुआ कर सकते हैं. हम तो हमारी कोशिश, म्यूजिक की कोशिश यही रहती है कि भाई लोगों में प्यार हो, लोगों में अमन हो, शांति हो, मगर चीज़ें होती रहती हैं और जो हो रहा है इट इज़ वेरी बैड. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. हम तो रात दिन ये दुआ करते हैं कि कहीं भी किसी भी मुल्क में इस तरह की चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि जहाँ भी इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं उसका असर पूरी दुनिया पे होता है. एक आदमी की मौत से ऐसा नहीं कि एक आदमी के मर जाने से उसी की ज़िंदगी तक है, उसका पूरा परिवार इफेक्टेड होता है, पूरी फैमिली. कहीं ना कहीं ये जो चीज़ है, वायलेंस जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, इसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जो ज़रूरी है, एक तो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए. दूसरा, लोगों के अंदर जो एक अजीब तरह की एनिमिटी हो गई है लोगों के बारे में, वो नहीं होनी चाहिए. ये बेसिक लेवल पे, और कहीं ना कहीं इसमें पॉपुलेशन का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है, क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ चुकी है कि कुछ चीज़ें लोगों के कंट्रोल के बाहर हो चुकी हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारी चीज़ों को सुधारना होगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे अपनी नज़र रखनी होगी, तो ही इस तरह की चीज़ें बंद हो सकती हैं। नहीं हम केवल ये कहते रहेंगे, भाषण देते रहेंगे, टेलीविज़न पे बोलते रहेंगे, उसका हासिल कुछ नहीं है। बहुत बेसिक लेवल से इसकी शुरुआत होनी चाहिए और इसको रोकना चाहिए। थैंक्स।
Which you was it tough this time? So much of new talent has come up, and to choose-
it was rather tough because I think there are songs. As far as the album and a musical concept is concerned, I remember I can talk about my work. Like a few years back, we'd done Delhi 6, and Delhi 6 had it was a full sort of album, had all kinds of music, classical, semi-classical, jazz. It was like huge album. So those kind of things were not there. One album which is a feast, but yes, there is great talent always, and there are great songs. So we picked up. So you will see a bit of mix and match this year. I think so. I don't know the results.
Do you have your
but
favorite pick?
no, I couldn't have my favorite pick. For everything, for every nuance, I had a different pick. So that is the way it is. So but that's the kind of year it is, and that's the kind of industry we're also becoming. There's a lot of new talent coming. It's not necessary that you'll get everything in one album. It's great if it happens, but you can wish for that, but it might not. So choose from what you have, and we've been able to sort of pick some pearls